Hey everyone, in today's episode we are going to unbox our new pressure washer system, a full system. But before we do that, I want to remove the old system you can see over here and do a little bit of cleaning up and painting in that area. So we'll do both things in this episode, so check it out. So first things first, this is my current pressure washer system. I've used Karcher in the years. I've never really had a full kit. I've bought off a shop, pressure washer, the hose, and everything as one complete kit. I've always sort of had the pressure washer, then bought a hose, then bought an attachment, then gone to quick fittings. And so in this case, we're running the big boy system with an external hose, and we're sort of going to go to something system, but it's a complete system from AR. So since we did the renovations last year, I've sort of left this area alone. We just tidied it up as good as possible for what we had on hand, and because I really would have loved to put the full system outside, and we may do that at some point, but for the moment I just made do with what I had in terms of my hose system, and I think I added the big boy system at the same time. Now there's nothing to say that I don't like the big boy pressure washer, but I will say it has leaked since day one. We changed some seals in it straight away when that was happening, and that didn't work, so we replaced the whole manifold, and it stopped it for a little bit, and then it started to leak again. So probably more my fault. I just let that go now, and I'm just going to relegate this to the home, to the house, and use it there and just see if I can maybe fix the leaks up myself. So that's why we've gone to now hopefully what will be a full system from pressure washer itself, the hose, the hanging reel, the shelf. It will be hopefully a more complete and a tidier setup for this wall. So first things first, what we'll do is we'll open up the new kit, and then we'll get on to renovating this back section. All right, so let's open up this kit. So I'm actually filming this 2 weeks after that opening. Reason being, I thought I had misplaced the lance. I thought I actually didn't receive it, not realising that when I did receive all the items in the kit, that I put the lance somewhere else and not realised I had it all along. I even went as far as to emailing the guys at Waxon saying that they forgot to send it, but it was just tucked away behind some pads on the bench. And now here I am. So, that being said, I don't think I've actually said the kit that I've got. So this is the AR630 Plus. This one's from Waxon. I'm not sure who else sells it, but I've opted for, so 630 Plus is the washer. I've gone for the Pro wall mount kit, obviously because we're replacing that one. So that is, in the standard kit, you'll get a 10-metre hose with your traditional style fittings. That's the standard kit there, and that's your lance with the standard kit, which is probably not much different from what you would see from any other of the suppliers. Now with the Pro kit, you get a 15-metre hose. You get the 15-metre hose, and they include an MTM lance. This is the SGS35. Which is a little bit different from my current one, which is an SGS28. I'm not really too sure what the difference is. I've put them next to each other. This one just seems a bit bigger. And it already comes with the quick connect fittings on it, same with the lance. And they also include in the Pro kit these Aqua Touch nozzles. So I'll be interested to see how these goes, and I'll open them. So they've got sort of swivelly head on them. So do these come off? Not sure. But that's going to be interesting to try. So I'm going probably a little bit backwards. That's a 15-metre hose, and I think my current one is actually 20 metres. And that's actually probably, I actually don't mind going a bit backwards there because it's probably more than what I actually need in that location. So the next thing we need to do is remove the old system and paint around tidy up and make that look a bit nicer. But I do want to paint the back of that wall again, and then we'll go and reinstall this kit and go through it a bit more. As you'll notice, that was winter, I'm now in summer. So we've had some time now with the AR630 Plus. I didn't think it would be any use reviewing the machine just after pulling it out. The best thing to do is to use it for 6 months, at least, minimum. Now, like my other videos, if you want to go chase specs on it, there's plenty of videos on this machine on the internet. Yeah, if you're on here already, you've probably already done some sort of research on the AR630 Plus. Obviously, you can see my installation. And I guess most notably for me was moving to this machine is the sound. That's important where I work, not only inside but outside as well. And I find this machine, compared to all the other previous machines I've owned, is definitely on the quieter side, to the point where you can't hear it above the actual water dispersing itself. So for me, that is a big plus, and it's probably the most significant thing I can say about the machine, because it performs as it should. The hose is more than enough for how I use it. If I have any criticisms, it would be the plastic inlet connection, because I mean it's fine because this is up in the air, but it's not so much a problem for me because it's obviously up in the air, but I could see how that could be easily something that gets knocked or broken, depending on your location. Also, these are quite flimsy as well, but at the same time, I've had no problem, mounting or sitting any of my, sitting the lamps on there. All in all, I think this is a great machine and a great kit overall for any detailing shop, or even if you're a weekender, just in regards to forms, functionality, and obviously aesthetics. I have nothing bad to say about it, to be honest with you. I'm really happy with it. And over my last, few machines, I mean, I've been doing this for over 13 years now, and this has to be probably one of the best investments I've made in my detailing business.